Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra and today we are setting up an organizer. This is the first time that I was doing this, so please like, subscribe and share with a friend because this might be helpful for them as well. So let's start with step number 1, which is opening the box and getting the instructions out. So I like to read the instructions first thoroughly because that gives me it's a guideline. I know some people they just go into it without reading the instructions, but me personally I like to read the instructions and follow them step by step. Alrighty, the second step is to read the instructions. Yes, so reading the instructions will help you do this faster. That's the objective of this. It's just 6 easy steps. And we have our A and B tool that come with it. We only need a star head screwdriver. So the third step is getting order the pieces. These pieces they come with numbers. As you can see there, we have the number. So I ordered all the pieces like according to each number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So at the time when I'm putting this together, I know exactly where my pieces are and in which order I have to put them. Okay, so step number 4 would be to start putting all the pieces together according to the instructions. So we follow instruction number 1. Sorry for the pixelized image about that. Pieces 1 and 2, we have to put a screw between them. So I put the screw like that between pieces 1 and 2, and then I use the screwdriver to get that tight. Okay, so we have a picture there of how it should look like. As you can see, it's pretty easy. It's just put all the pieces together like a very simple puzzle. Forgive my face bit, but that's my concentration face. Then we're putting like the basket-like floor, like 1, 2, and 3, as you see in the instructions. So this was like the hardest part because I had to make fit the screws into the holes, and every time I put a piece, like I celebrated. Man, this video it's only like 4 minutes, but this took me like 45 minutes, an hour to build like this whole thing that you see here. And the last part of putting this together in the instructions, part number 6, was to put the wheels that we have right there, the 4 wheels. They give you like a screw drive already for the wheels, specifically for that. Whee! It's all set. So this, as you see here, is the whole reason before I got the organizer. It's because I wanted to look like this, organized. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.